to the chimney, so you can see right here where the raccoon actually climbs up the gutter. You can see the paw prints. It's getting up. So that's current. So you can just climb that pole. Go right up. So I'm going to do a quick walk through. I can see this vent over here, the vent cover. I'm going to take a photo of that. Likely that's how a raccoon gets into the attic. Look at obvious spots. Just do a quick walk around first. Look for any obvious signs. They could easily climb that brick. Oh, you can see all this activity. You can see all the activity on that back panel here. Yeah, a lot of. They're probably squeezing in. I guess they're going up on this side and then going up this corner. But they haven't. Doesn't look like they got into the attic. Looks like they're just going up. And of course there is a chimney, and I think that's what the neighbor mentioned that. I do see some buckling in the soffit area. Oh, look at all this activity. Look at all that. Wow. They're coming up all sides. So the chimney needs to be capped off, but we have to remove these raccoons first. I guess the neighbor noticed all the activity. He wanted them to do something about it. It doesn't look like any physical damage to the house, which is good. I wonder if they're getting in through the attic fan. There's an attic fan up there. They're not chewing up anything. It looks like they are just going down the chimney. So I know what to do. I'm going to give a proposal on how to remove those raccoons and pest proof. I'll give them a quote.